Hey guys, how are you? Now it's 3:30 in the morning or 3:15, and me and Harsh, my friend, we are just gonna start our journeys. We are going to Shirdi via Mumbai Nasik highway, and then we're gonna take right from Agoti. And I hope to cover my journey properly and show you the world the way I see. Harsh, all the best. Let's do this. I'm taking you all with me. So we are in Powai, near Powai petrol pump, and we are all set. We have crossed Kalyan now and heading towards Mumbai Nasik Expressway. As it's still dark, so we are not cruising. We are cruising at lower speed because night riding is never a good idea. And we have taken a first halt for a coffee break as it's too cold, so better put something hot in our system. We have covered 82 kilometers from Thane, and Powai to Thane is 14 kilometers, so total 96 kilometers. As I refueled in Thane, so my trip A is started from there. And it's 4:40 a.m. in the morning. Okay, the coffee was really good, and now time to continue our journey. Kasara Ghat is around 40 kilometers from here. क्या हो रहा है? Okay. 20 kilometers from here, Kasara Ghat will start. ओके, अच्छा ठीक है. Okay, now this is Kasara Ghat uphill, and I have heard a lot about this ghat. Good thing that this lane is just for going, and for coming back there's a different path. We'll show you that later. But look how spooky it looks, man. I think Harsh is having a little bit of trouble riding his Ninja here, I guess. Oh boy, Duke really kick ass in this kind of road, man. Control, Nikhil. You have to ride safe. First light of the day and the bad road has started. We have taken a right from Goti, and I think this bad patch will continue for like 15 to 20 kilometers. I'm not sure. So this will be the test for our patience. Truck everywhere, yaar. Okay, we decided to stretch our legs, and that is the windmill, but I'm sure you can't see. We will also hydrate ourselves and also to attend the nature's call. Sometimes being a boy is such a best thing in the world. I hope you know what I mean. Early morning exercise, keep it up, boys. Keshar Bagh. We are at Keshar Bagh. We have taken a stop. Look at the scene. The sun is rising. Good morning, everybody. Yes, take selfies. Who takes selfie with the timer? I don't know. Maybe. Wow, look how beautiful everything looks like. The roads are getting better and better, and we are covering distance really fast. I think the average is 80 to 85 kilometers per hour. It's really funny that we live in a city with You drive big cars and expensive cars, bike, but on what shitty roads. And when you move out of the city, you see this. An highway with no lights, just beautiful roads. Useless side mirrors. So the sun is out completely and I think it's gonna affect the video clarity a bit. I hope not. Trees and trees. Titanic pose on a bike. क्या बात है, dude? In India, we are really obsessed with the speed breakers, like the one you're gonna see. There is no sign, no radium light, nothing. And if it's a night time and you're above 100 kilometers per hour and bam, this thing comes, then you're on the mercy of your God. Oof. Time for some off-roading now. After such a beautiful road, this. क्या यार. Oh no, speed breaker. अबे कैसे लोग होते हैं यार. Almost crash into. Don't stop. Let's go. 206. 206 kilometers. So now we're gonna see how much fuel has been consumed by both the bikes, Ninja and Duke, and the result is. Hey, क्या बात है? 650 and 390 ने same mileage दिया. Both bike have covered same distance and both bikes have given same mileage. 370cc and 650cc both have consumed around 8.10 liters of petrol. क्या बात है? Finally, we have reached Shirdi. It's still cold here. I just checked. It was around 20 degrees and it's still cold for anyone from Mumbai. I guess because we are not used to this kind of weather. And I think my nose has started to run. Okay, on my left side is from where one enter for Sai Baba temple. And now we have to hunt for a place to keep our stuff.
So we have taken this small dirty room. 300 rupees. 300 rupees. You keep your stuff here, you do your darshan, you freshen up and then you leave. 300 rupees. The thing is that you're not allowed to take any of your stuff inside, like camera, mobile phone. For ladies, handbags, laptops, you cannot take. The security is really tight. So that's why for us riders, what I did is we've taken this room, all this stuff here. So it's basically secured. We left our bikes over here, helmets, everything. Did a darshan. There were around 500 to I think 1,000 people over there. Yeah, so it took us like 2 hours or 1 hour. So now we're really tired. We're going for a head massage. So that really, the breakfast we did was really heavy. Yeah, he's having acid. So now he will leave in some time. And when we came, it was really cold, and now it's sunny. So yeah, if you come to Shirdi to visit Sai Baba, they say you will fulfill all your dreams. And if you're going to Nasik or anywhere you should visit. It's I think it's one of the last known god in India. Yeah, so we're going down now. We're really tired. It's hot outside now. So we'll take a head massage. and then you will leave from here. And I think we'll reach in like 4 hours. 4 hours, I guess. Because we're not gonna take any halts, like we'll go 1 or 2 halts.
चालू है ना OLX पे अपलोड कीजिए फ्री में ऐड डालिए क्लिक करो अपलोड करो नीचे मैंने ली सेल्फी और आपने ली सेल्फी OLX.in
नो सेल्फी ओनली चंपी
आपकी उंगली में ये ताकत है कि 15 अक्टूबर को बटन पर बटन दबा करके 15 साल के पापों को समाप्त करने वाले
अच्छा है बोलिए ना
बीच के वजह से तो
एकदम ये
स्विच और एक्टिविटी के वजह से आज देश के पीएम तो बैठा हुआ है
यहाँ पे किसको सपोर्ट है
100 करोड़ की आबादी
Peru, Peru, I just love Peru. This is what we gonna eat if we stop for a stretch or for any loo break. Oh, better wear my gloves. Is there anything I'm forgetting? Wait, कुछ चाहिए? Just keep an eye on my stuff. I'm leaving the keys inside the bag, okay? मैं जाके लेके आता हूँ. हाँ कैमरा है. बहुत ठंडा नहीं है क्या? Okay, thanks. Okay, bye. One question you always get is what's there on your head? It is a camera. You're from another planet. Blah blah blah. डालेगा बैग में or you want me to keep inside my bag? My bag has gotten a little heavy now. I will soon gonna buy a saddle bag. I think it's a must now. Let's rock and roll, Harsh. अरे उधर से जाने का है राइट साइड. नहीं हो गया अभी जा रहे हैं हम लोग. You know guys, there are people who walks all the way from Mumbai, Pune and all over the state, maybe from all over India to visit Sai Baba, and I think they are one of them. Yeah, I think they are. Which way? I think this way. Let me ask this guy. अरे सर ये गोटी का रास्ता किधर आया? सीधा ना? Okay. I have no memory of this road and I hope we are going the right direction. Yeah, baby, that's what I was talking about. Still more to come. These people should wear a helmet. Oh, fuck. Shit. Ah, thank God. Are you okay? ठीक है? संभाल के चला भाई, पब्लिक पागल होती है इधर. Whoa, man. That's a nice way to repair the road. Just throw it all over the road. Oh boy, it's hot. Weather is hot, road is hot, bike is hot, everything is hot. आज सब कुछ hot. Why they have blocked the road? Oh, don't tell me it's a rally. Time to do filtering. भाई जरा साइड दो. I'm from media. Which way? NCP की rally है. I don't know how these people are surviving in a car without an air condition in such a bloody hot weather. भाई एक second please, थोड़ा side. It's a long traffic, man, and there is a toll like I did. Come on, man, come on, go fast. By doing this, they are not showing their power. They are making us even more frustrated. क्या हुआ है भाई? क्या पता है तुमको इसीलिए. The bike is getting hot now. Move. Are you freaking serious? All this for a rally, for showing how strong you are? They have blocked bloody 3 lanes out of 4, man. Shit. It's time for Kasara Ghat downhill. Woohoo! I was waiting for this. Wow, man. It's amazing. You people gotta come here someday. Empty roads, powerful bikes, beautiful weather, young body. What a day, man. Thank you God for making such a beautiful weather. Best part is that it's downhill, so bike is not stressing a bit. Okay, time to rev it. And the first sign that we are close to Mumbai traffic. We have reached Kalyan. I think, yes, it's Kalyan. We should take a break. We are riding non-stops in Shirdi, and I think I should refuel also. Okay guys, this was my Mumbai trip. I hope you like it. So please subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. Cheers, bye.